We have 6 cookie cutters here today. A fish, a cat, a dolphin, a cat face, a cat sitting down, and another cat. Hi everyone, today we're going to be making butter cookies. First, we need to cut 1 cup of butter. I'd say roughly here-ish is 1 cup.
It's very soft.
This is what it means by soft. It can literally bend. Dice up your 1 cup of butter.
Will butter go rotten if you leave it in room temperature for days?
For days, maybe. I'm pretty sure as long as you leave it outside for under a week, it'll be fine. But look what happened for a day. After a day, it seems to be fine and ready to cut. Now, time to grab a bowl and put all the butter in. Now we're going to grab a paddle and we're going to cream it up.
You call this as a paddle again?
Spatula. Actually, I think I should add some sugar first. So for this recipe, we're using half a cup of sugar. I'm gonna put less because I don't want it to be too sweet. Now I'm gonna mix. I'm pretty sure I should not use my hands on this because it's so buttery. Now the butter is done, we can add the other ingredients. We're going to add an egg. We're also going to add 2 cups of flour. When you mix cookie dough, it's extremely hard, so eventually you're going to have to use your hands and knead it. But at the beginning, I'm just going to use my spatula so that they can start combining. As you can see, this is pretty much flour with butter on the bottom. Okay, now that it's getting more cohesive, I'm going to start using my hands. You have to use some pressure, especially for cookie dough. Hold it, flip it, press, turn. Hold it, flip it, press, turn. Hold it, flip it, press, turn. Once you're done combining them, you should roll them into a ball like this. So you press, then turn, press again, turn, press again. Okay, looks good. So now I'm going to put it on a cutting board, set the bowl aside, grab a rolling pin, and roll it out. Psh, not looking good.
I think it's fine. You just have some confidence and then keep going.
I wonder what's on the other side.
You may rotate it 180 degrees and roll the other way.
I want to smooth it out for sure.
Yeah.
Stop moving, cutting board.
Yeah, so did you notice it will be better if you roll it towards you instead of away from you? Yeah, but there's no space over there, right? So yeah, turn it. Yeah, because your belly can stop it from moving.
This is my chest. I'm not that tall. Maybe it's your belly. You want it to be 1 centimeter thick. So on the edges it's okay, but in the middle it's not.
I think we don't need to roll it perfectly.
I know, I'm just trying to get it to 1 centimeter thick. Anyways, I'm going to set these aside and put some parchment paper onto the baking pan. And the reason I don't use the tool for getting rid of the parchment paper on this is because it doesn't work that well. So time to cut. I'm gonna first grab a dolphin. I'm gonna stick it here probably. I'm gonna press, I'm gonna lift up.
How do you get a dolphin out?
Okay, I'm gonna press there first. Move this out to the way.
Yeah, that's... you break the tail!
No.
Just flip it upside down. The tail will seal. So, flip it upside down.
Dolphin. Now, time to use this cat. Probably here. Cat. Not another cat. Okay, I feel like I should get the fish next.
No, don't get it out here. I think you can get it on parchment paper directly. What?
It wants to get off. Okay, time for fish. And I'm trying to put them as close as possible to the previous ones so that I don't waste too much dough and have to roll it up again. Another cat. Give it some space.
Will these cookies expand when you bake them?
I don't know. Probably not. Please, please.
The tail? Don't break. Oh, that's the leg.
Yeah, that's the leg.
It's okay.
One more. Last one. Cat face. I could probably...
Yeah, so this one's easy. It just fall off.
I feel like I can only put a dolphin.
Can we just roll the rest together, make a new ball, roll
Okay.
them again?
Everything put into a lump. Or are there going to be a bunch of air bubbles if I do this like this?
No, you don't do it this way. No, we do it. Okay, you can experiment. That's why originally we want to form a ball. 他们教做 cookie 的都不教这些的是吗？啊？他们都是 adult，这是 common sense. For kids, there's no common sense. Everything is a toy.
Happy?
3,000 whoop-whoos later.
When you're down to the last bit, but you don't know what to do, you can do this. So you put the ball in and you just squeeze it until it fits the cookie cutter. Now that we're done, we're gonna go over to the oven. Yeah, remember got the cup. And then we're gonna unlock it. Now we're gonna bake at 350. Now we're gonna click start.
Preheating.
Okay, now that it has reached 350, we can now put the cookies into the oven. Ooh, hot. Now we're going to set a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes later.
As you can see, the timer has run, so now you can turn the key on. Now we're going to check on the cookies and take them out. It's so hot.
They're not yellow. How about we leave them inside?
Some of them are turning slightly brown. I feel like they're done. We've already spent like 1 minute talking about this, so I'm now going to set a 9-minute timer, and I'm going to wait for them to cool off. Now it's warm and ready to eat, so let's have a taste test. By the way, this is a fish.
Is it good?
It's delicious. Want one?
Yeah. Can mommy have the tail, please?
That's good. If you like this video or like this cat, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe. Bye!